Oh my gosh.
Yeah. What a gift.
Quite an overcompensation.
What are we looking at? Oh, wow. Yep. This is super.
Well, you guys. Whoa!
Hey! Piper took Xavier!
Piper, give Xavier back to Max.
Piper.
Piper, this is a gift for you. It's a Barbie dream house. What do you think?
This girl is serious. Shall we?
Definitely.
I'll get her plate. Of course, my boy.
Okay, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
No singing, Mother. No singing.
Okay.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Pipe.
Can I have cupcake now? Happy birthday, Piper.